This review of core, what needs to be done and what not to do. This is going to be a quick review, and then we can expand on it in the next video. This is a Euro daily chart. Let me just say, okay, where we should have had the support and resistance, horizontal support and resistance. Here is the zone, SR support zone. Okay. In 4-hour chart, first thing first, let's just do the recent opportunity. This outside ranger, the last candle in this chart right now, this outside ranger in the context of a price coming down, this outside ranger in context of daily pointing down. So this outside ranger was the key entry to make money. Okay, and then let's just go further. Price coming down, chasing here is never good. Chasing, doing this, and here is a loss because price went up against it. Liquidity sweep, stopped everybody out, then made a sideway, and then again confirmed clue, this A+ clue to go down. And then what happened? Right here, this yellow, the bottom yellow line was already a horizontal support, previous low somewhere. So on 1-hour chart, what was missed? Well, all these opportunities to short here, right here, but taking profit, not taking profit at this yellow line was one of the biggest mistake this week. So that is the issue that needs to be addressed. Taking profit at the support resistance, whether it's static or dynamic. Static or horizontal line, dynamic is moving averages. Then price went up. Price made a V at static support. It's structure support. Then price made this. From here, whatever could happen. Like, for example, it could make a blackjack upside. But this was a pattern, W pattern happen right here at 1-hour chart. A W pattern. Well, it's not a W pattern yet, but at support, you have an outside ranger at support, and a double bottom is started to build. We could trade buy here at the last candle at the right hand, last candle at the right side of the chart. Because of support, reversal support, we could buy here because confirmed breakout. We could wait, we could go to like a 30-minute chart and see for if there's a possible 15-minute chart says a possible blackjack after this W. This is the W after this W. Yeah, right here. Well, yeah, okay. As long as we know the well, this was getting a little too late. So ideally, the buy is at a clean, clear outside ranger with the pin behind it at support. So this is a clean, clear outside ranger with the pin behind it support. This is a buy. We can buy at this candle also at 140, 114, 70, and the target would have been, we should have put the lines. First target should have been the 4 hour. Let's put the line around here. Yeah, we're supposed to connect all the bodies and the wicks. So the first target it reached, we could have got out 5-10 pips early at this target. 115.24, 115.20 would have been the target. Entry would have been 1 hour, or based on 1 hour chart, entry would have been 14.42. Even if it's 14.60, get out at 15.24. In a 15-minute chart, if one wanted to trade, you can look at it as a V at resistance, previous high, and then a blackjack, a V at the 50, blackjack 50, and then a V. So here, selling here were some good enough points, but what else happened? Looking at 1 hour chart, this become another blackjack to the upside. So rinse and repeat, whether took profit or got out break even. If was available to trade at that time, this is a buy, and target is that zone again, or a little bit higher, or 4 hour 50, around there. Now what's going on is, let's just put the resistance right there. Okay, now can this thing come down? Very likely. Looking at the daily chart, okay, let's clean this up. Okay, looking at the daily chart, it's still going down. So we're waiting for clues. That's it. So we need some kind of blackjack on 15-minute chart, and the target couldn't be low, but this 1 hour blackjack showing upside, and we're not gonna be, we have indecision. All right, principles: do not chase, wait for the right setup, wait for your screaming opportunity, and take profits, and protect and manage trade and protect your profits. That's it.